Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ego and this is Love Ego. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I made this crop top, embroidered bralette type top. It's very simple and it's very quick. It took about 4.5 hours if I calculated correctly, and it requires little to no sewing skills at all. All you have to know how to do is sew with a needle and thread. That's really all you're going to do. There's no sewing, there's no pattern making, and it's very quick and it's very simple. And I can't wait to show you how I made this bralette and how you can make one for yourself as well. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up when you're done watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed, welcome to the family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So for this tutorial, guys, you're going to need a bra in your size or the size of whoever you're sewing for. You're also going to need to get some embroidered applique. These ones I got from Amazon, and the other ones I just picked up from my sewing supply store. I decided to mix them up, so I decided not to get like the exact same type of applique because I wanted mine to have different like floral patterns. You're also going to need some black mesh that you build your top on, and you're going to need a pair of scissors, some pins, and some matching needle and thread because we're going to be hand sewing. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is cut out the embroidered floral parts because that's really all you're going to need. You're going to need to cut out the surrounding mesh around the flowers. Then I'm just going to take the bra and place it on a mannequin or on a Judy to get the best results, in my opinion. But of course, if you don't have one, I definitely think you can do this on a flat surface. So next, I'm just going to place the mesh on the top part. Like I said, the mesh is going to form the base of what I'll be attaching the applique to. So you want to do that first, and I'm just pinning it in place at the top and at the sides to make sure it fits just right. Next, you're going to start placing your already cut applique on the mesh. So just put them in place the way you want them to look. Now, because I'm using different sets of applique, I arrange my pieces in twos so that way, whatever I do on the left boob, I can repeat on the right boob because I want both designs, like the design on the bra, to look identical on both sides. So I'm just, I've already pre-arranged my pieces and make sure that every piece that I'm picking up are in twos. And yeah, so you just do that way. The bralette design will at least look intentional. You don't want it to look like you just place the flowers willy-nilly, but you can still like have fun with the designs as much as you can. So just keep pinning them in place. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're going to the final part. We're almost done. Just take your needle and thread and sew all your flowers in place. So this is the thing about the tutorial. It wasn't hard per se, but it is time consuming. It took me about 2 hours to hand sew everything, just because I wanted everything to be in place. I didn't want things coming off. But that is it, you guys. After sewing everything in place, just cut out any extra mesh around and then you're done. So like I said, it takes time to do because of the hand sewing, but in my opinion, the finishing result was absolutely worth it. So guys, I hope you found this video easy to follow, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you have any DIY ideas that you'd like to share, please leave them in the comment section below, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.